Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Apple ID cannot be create. So look here, when I'm trying to create my Apple ID, I'm get this message. So don't worry, now I'm provide how can easily fix and you get 100% solution. So don't skip my video. At first open iPhone settings, click on to general and make sure to update your iOS. I'm already update my iOS. When you pending your update iOS, then you not fix this problem. So I'm already update my iOS and open iPhone settings again. Check VPN. So disconnect VPN. Click on to general. Scroll down. Click on and you just click on second option. To continue, select on. So I'm already, it is my all data, and try to make Apple ID but not fix this problem. So open Safari browser and click on to search and search it to appleid.apple.com and then you get this option. You just easily click on to sign in. So I hope you just follow my all tricks, then you get 100% solve this problem.